I spent years struggling as a video editor, and at one point recently, I went 3 months straight without landing a single job. That's when I found Josh through the comment sections of a Will Tennyson video on YouTube, and I knew that I'd just stumbled across some hidden treasure because he doesn't just teach the editing tricks and retention hacks that we've all heard before. He actually teaches a very unique and specific approach to editing. Things that you will never learn from spending hours watching YouTube videos or listening to podcasts or trying to hack the YouTube algorithm. And I realized that it was the one thing that I was missing. About 6 months ago, I was passed up on a job with Stephen Bartlett from The Diary of a CEO. They had loved my skills, they loved my style, but I still didn't get that job. And it was because as editors, you can have all of the technical skills, but if you don't understand how to trigger and control certain emotions and reactions from the people that are watching your videos, then all of that stuff is pointless. And this is what Josh teaches you. And after applying what I had learned from him, with just one edit, I tripled my rates. I went from charging $100 per video to over $350 per video. So if you are feeling stuck right now, don't spend another month, another year struggling like this. Sign up for the Editors Academy. It'll change your life.